Hello guys and welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So guys, in today's fast world, it is so important to look presentable and neat. Either you're a student or you're a professional, it doesn't matter. To look presentable, it is very important to be neat. By that I mean getting rid of the extra facial hair. It is not very efficient in terms of time and money if you need to get it done every now and then. So today I will show you guys how you can use thread to get rid of unwanted hair anytime, anywhere. So this video is going to make you very independent. So let's jump right into the video. So guys, for this video all you need is a thread. I started with normal sewing thread, but that's not the perfect thing. So this thread is thicker one than the normal thread that you use for sewing. This is easily available in any market. Okay, so take thread and make a knot. Simple. And the next thing we are going to do is hold it like this and start moving one of your hand like this. Brilliant. So this is what we have got now. Let's do practice. So guys, the main thing that you have to learn is how to move your hand like this. So this is very easy guys as it looks, but it needs a little bit of practice. Anyway, either you do this like this, whatever is comfortable. So once you're happy, so let's move on to the face. For example, you have to do your upper lips. I don't think if I have any at the moment. Place your tongue under your lip, something like this. This is very easy, but you need a little bit of practice. For that, you can use hair on your legs. So you can practice it on your upper lips for sure, because here you don't need any shape or anything. You just need to get rid of extra hair. You can practice on that. So for example, if you have to do your forehead, simply just start moving like this. If you feel the pain, that means you are doing it right. You're pulling the hair out. This is going to help you a lot. This is so handy. Once you learn how to do it, you won't be dependent on anybody else. In case of emergency, at night, day, anytime, all you need is a thread. You can also use sewing thread as I mentioned before, and you are good to go. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also please click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So I see you guys in my next video. Till the time, keep smiling and be the best version of yourself.